Hello, Pipay. Good morning. How was your sleep last night? Are you in the mood today? Pipay, cute. Hi. My name is Pipay Cute. I am cute but stupid because I love to do anything that is not good. Hello, hello, baby. What happened to my eyes? It's covered now by my bangs. Hi, Miss Bangs. Look at my feet and teeth. Teeth? My nose. My good nose.